Here's an example, or rather two examples, on how to use the distribution property. The distribution property is just large multiplication. This 3x and this 2 are each respectively next to the parentheses without a symbol in between, so if you want, you can put a multiplication dot there for each of these. So we are multiplying. Now, we're not just multiplying 2 and the x squared, we're multiplying 2 with the x squared, and 2 with the 3x, and 2 with the 5, although some of you might want to think of that as a negative 5 when you add the opposite. And same here, it'll be the same process in this example down below, except for the term that we're multiplying everything with inside has an x with it, so you'll see how that gets a different result. You have to remember some of your multiplication rules. So now, first we have 2 times x squared. That's going to be 2x squared. Now I like to just repeat the signs. Following the x squared, originally there was a plus sign, so I repeat that, and now I take 2 times 3x. So 2 times 3 is 6. Attach the x with it. And then we'll be adding 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Down below, we have 3x times 2x squared. 3 times 2 is 6. Multiply the numbers together, and then x times x squared is x to the third. Think of it as x times x times x. That is x to the third. Now I'm going to leave this with a subtraction sign, and I'm going to bring that subtraction sign along. And now we have 3x times 5x. 3 times 5 is 15. X times x is x squared. Following that, in the parentheses was a plus sign, so I repeat that. And last but not least, we have 3x times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, and there is an x there. So this is how you apply the distribution property, also known as the hippity-hoppity property, and don't you stop-ity.